Ooh, it is so cold. And I don't have a jacket on. What was I thinking? Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I am in my car heating it up. It is 23 outside and I'm just wearing a sweater. We encountered a winter storm. You guys are probably sick and tired of hearing about it all over social media, but we had a good 4 days in. I was able to work from home earlier this week. We still have some ice in the backyard. It's finally melting away. It was fun. Like, I enjoyed being inside for 4 days and just snuggling up, being cozy. Alexander was having slight cabin fever. We finally finished Stranger Things over the winter storm. Not the best season in my opinion. I think season 4 was really good, and like, you know, season 1. It was a good watch. I did tear up a little bit at the end when all the kids graduated and they were leaving the basement, and then Mike's younger sister and her friends started playing D&D down there, and it's just like a new generation of kids playing and, you know, leading into adulthood. So yeah, that made me tear up a little bit, but yeah, it was good. Anyway, yeah, we finished Stranger Things. Let me show you guys how the backyard is still looking. We still have some ice right here, so it's very slippery, but I'm able to get out still. Anyway, happy Friday, you guys. I am so excited. This week was a very slow, short week. I did throw my schedule off just a little bit, but it's been a good week so far. I am going to see my friends after work, Christine and Ellen, my girlies. We're gonna go get some crawfish for dinner because they're in season right now, and oh, I love crawfish. Haven't had it in a while. Alexander got me winter melon tea from Tea Daddy last night, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna save it for today to drink at work. And this cup is so cute because it says Thet on the other side, and it means Lunar New Year in Vietnamese. It's coming up, you guys. I am finally heading off work. It's 3 o'clock. I usually don't stay this late at work, but on Fridays I usually leave around 1, but I needed to help my boss with the presentation. But I'm ready to go. Let's go home. I was supposed to fast today, but that did not happen. I am so hungry. I'm eating a chocolate chip cookie, which is really good, by the way. I put it in a microwave for 30 seconds and it's just so nice and warm. I just need a little bit of something before dinner tonight. The dogs are outside doing their little business. I'm gonna bring them back in, feed them. I'm debating, that was a big inhale. I'm debating if I should just wear what I'm wearing for dinner because it's already technically dirty, or if I should get comfy and wear leggings and all black, because if you guys know, going to a seafood place, you're eating crawfish, things tend to squirt everywhere. There was this huge car accident on the way home from work. They blocked the whole lane, so I have to do a detour. And I drove into this neighborhood. It's literally the neighborhood 2 blocks down from where I live, and I've never driven through there before. It's an older neighborhood, but I like looking at old little cute houses, and I'm like, oh, I've never driven through here before. I mean, I have no reason to. We went to Ross last night and got a new dog bed because the dog bed that I got for Menace when we first got him has a hole in it, and it's been over 4 years. It was a little sad throwing it away because it was his first bed ever. I bought it specifically for Menace, but it's ripped. The stuffing has come out. I'm like, it's been through so much already. It's time for a new bed. So we threw it away, went to Ross last night and got a really big bed for, you know, Newman and Menace to sleep on. We have 4 beds, by the way, for the dogs. They kind of like to sleep anywhere. You know, whenever they're in a mood, they'll sleep in this bed, they'll move to that bed. So it's just, they have options, you know? It's a memory foam bed, so you can remove the memory foam and put everything else in the washer to wash, which is nice. So let me show you guys their new bed. I swear their beds get bigger and bigger every time we go buy a new one. But yeah, it's really nice. Here's a little memory foam on the bottom, and you can just unzip it, take it out, and throw this in the wash, which is good. The boys really liked it. Last night, Menace was sniffing it and just rolling all in this bed. It was so cute. And then, you know, there's bed number 2, bed number 3, and then another bed in the living room. Our house smells a little bit. I came home and I'm like, God, the garbage stinks. I forgot what I cooked the other day. I don't know if it's vegetables or, oh, it was the chicken. I think it was chicken. Yeah, it could be some chicken that I was like cutting all the fats off the chicken and I threw it away. And I think that's the reason why it smells. But anyway, the house kind of stinks. I changed the trash and now I'm going to get cozy, not get cozy, but change into some comfy clothes, bring the dogs in and head on out. Well, there's always a first for everything, you guys. I have locked myself out of the house. I got into my car, tried to turn on my car and realized I didn't have my keys. They're on the counter still. And now I am stuck out here. Can't even leave. Luckily, Alexander gets off at 4 o'clock. Yeah, I guess I was just too excited to go see my friend, but luckily I'm able to sit in my car and it's not too cold outside right now. Wow, I did it, you guys. I finally did it. I locked myself out of the house. Okay. What a mess. I'm a mess right now. I'm a mess. A couple of days later. Yesterday I didn't vlog because after having crawfish the next morning I was just having cramps all day, and I think it's because of the crawfish. All the spices, the seasoning didn't really sit well with me, so I was dealing with pretty extreme stomach cramps throughout the day, and I was like, there's no way I can vlog. I'm feeling a lot better this morning, thank God. I was just really bloated too, so you know, my body is not the same as it was 5 years ago, okay? I'm 31, I need to remember that. Made myself some breakfast, got some yogurt with granola and a little cup of tea. I also want to try these fun little treats that Christine got me from Vietnam. She went there, well, it's already February, so, oh my God, February 1st, hello. She went to Vietnam back in December and she gave us a little bit of goodies, like little snacks in Vietnam. So I want to try it with you, and it's so cute. It says, "You are my sunshine." It was a day yesterday. We just went to get groceries and had a quick lunch at Sheesh and stayed home all day. I chatted with my friend Henry for a good 3.5 hours. Also chatted with Brooke during the winter storm for 3.5 hours. So if you guys are watching, hey. Okay, I am done with my yogurt. Let's try out these little goodies that Christine got. Very sweet of her. We have this coconut cashews. Let's give this a try. Just little cashews dusted with coconut. Okay. Yum. This one is also another coconut. Like a little coconut cookie. Looks like that. Okay. This is so good. It's like a little baguette cookie, and they just sprinkled some coconut flakes on top. These last ones are shrimp egg rolls. Christine told me this is her favorite, so that's why I saved it for last, to see if it's my favorite. Little tiny egg roll cookies. Yes! If you guys like those minced dried shrimp, it's really big in the Asian community where we eat those. If you guys love anything shrimp flavor, this one is so good. And just look how cute the shrimp is wearing the Vietnamese hat. Ooh, yummy. This was good. This was really good. And this is good. Yeah. I said it. Okay, I am going to meal prep for this week. I'm going to make some chicken breast with some green beans and cauliflower rice that I got from Costco. First time making this, so we'll see how it is. And I haven't cooked green beans in so long, but I'm just going to saute it on the pan and throw in some salt, pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Oh, also some garlic as well. Garlic powder too. Yeah, why not? The way for me, please? I'm gonna start cooking, buddy. It's hot right here. Can you move? No? Okay. So I only did 3, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, perfect for lunch. And yeah, I tasted the chicken. It's very yummy. And here's the cauliflower rice on the bottom. It's pretty easy to cook. I mean, you just boil it in water. Yeah, so here's my little lunch for the next 3 days for work. I am doing really good at not eating out during lunch and just eating home-cooked meals. I miss meal prepping, honestly. It's been years. And then I don't mind cooking midweek for Thursday and Friday. Currently a walking menace now. It's such a beautiful day outside. 45 and sunny. Haven't walked him in about 2-ish weeks, so I feel bad. Need to step out again. The weather is gonna get warmer this week, so I'm really happy we can go on more walks together. He's so happy. Feels amazing outside. There's still some snow at some of these houses right here because they're in the shade. But yeah, a nice little afternoon walk. It is not even 5:30 yet, and I'm showered, did my skincare, and in bed. I am gonna go ahead and edit this vlog right now. It's another chill vlog again, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog here as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye!